I want to see how well AI can create a Dragon Ball Z game from scratch. I got this idea because Dragon Ball Xenoverse 3 is coming out next year, and I used to be like a big fan of Xenoverse. So let's get right into it. But this is what Kimmy and Grok created. Mostly Kimmy created it with all the assets. Grok just helped with some of the logic. So we'll go with Saga mode because we go through the Sand, the Frieza, and Cell Saga, and there's some pretty cool stuff in it. And so we can choose one of these characters. So we'll just go with Goku because why not? And we're gonna go Super Saiyan in this video, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna collect some of these Dragon Balls just to start, just so when we get to the Cell Saga or the Frieza Saga, we can then collect the last one and get a power up, and you guys will see it. But as you guys can see, these henchmen look kind of pretty human-like. So in the next saga, you'll see that the henchmen actually change, and we see the Kamehameha we have, and it does destruction, as you can see. We can also get some pebbles if we actually just hit some of the ground. So you saw some of those pebbles. And so we cleared this saga. Let's go get some more. And let's actually transform because we can go Super Saiyan. So what better way to try to finish this tyrant off than going Super Saiyan and beating it? Okay. Let's see. We can do Solar Flare and Destructiveness. It's the same button, so sometimes it does either one, so can't really control it. But as you see, he's blinded, and then we can try to use Kamehameha and finish him off. We almost did. Now we did, so that's pretty good. Let's go collect some more of the Dragon Balls. I wanted to create this just because I know Dragon Ball Xenoverse 3 is coming out soon, and I used to be a big fan of Xenoverse. I put hundreds and hundreds of hours into the game. I even used to do some tournaments, which was pretty funny with my created character. And so with that game almost coming out soon, I'm pretty hyped. I heard some mixed things. I haven't been paying too much attention to it anymore, but I'm pretty hyped for it. So I was like, hey, I want to see what AI can actually create. And Kimmy did a pretty good job. And as you guys can see here with this new wave, that the henchmen are a bit different as well. And so now we're going to fight Frieza. Before we fight Frieza, let's get this last Dragon Ball so then we can use Spirit Bomb on Frieza. And look, we missed, but you saw that impact. Impact is crazy. Let's see if we can use Spirit Bomb one more time. And we cooked. We cooked some of the henchmen. Let's see, one last time. Yes, we finished Frieza off with the Spirit Bomb. Perfect. So now it's the Cell Saga. The aura around me is pretty big, and you can see that these are the Cell Juniors based on the sprites, which is something that I would fix, because the aura is like way too big that you can't fully see that, like your field of view is a little like scuffed because of how big it is, basically. And I guess right now it's using a bunch of different models, not only the Cell Juniors. And I don't know why we're like getting cooked right here. A lot is going on in this game. Okay. We're on wave 2 now. Oh, we're on wave 3. So now we verse Cell. Let's hopefully try to get rid of all of their minions. So see Cell here. Looks pretty good for the version of Cell it is. Okay, I want to do that. And I want to see if I can use a Spirit Bomb. Oh my gosh, cooked. So I think the strat is really just using Destructiveness and then Solar Flare to then blind the enemy. Oh, we don't have enough Ki. Then we can cook him. Okay, let me charge up. You do this. Okay, now we're gonna finish it with a Spirit Bomb. Yes, we finished both Frieza and Cell with Spirit Bomb. Perfect. And so that's the game. As you guys can see, it's pretty good for just really rough draft and very quickly made too Dragon Ball Z game. In the comments below, let me know what other games you would like to see Kimmy create and even other models create.